Nah, that's not what we got in the last episode. I already had that. Okay. So what we had in the last episode was this Machop. Machamberman, sorry. If I was saying it wrong. Oh, I do have... Gosh damn it, I could have got a shiny Blastoise. So, does that look shiny, dude? Okay. I don't know why I just went out. Wow, I'm like spending 1 minute already not doing anything. Okay, let's get into this now. This episode. For blah blah. For blue blue. For blue blah. It's a pink one. It's a pink one. It's a pink one. It's a pink one. Hurt. Be my friend, see? Bye-bye. A Moga. I've never had one of those. Oh, I don't think so, please. Come on. Now you see him? Now you don't. Oh. Articuno, please. Oh my. Give this guy. Articuno, please. Wait 1 second, guys. Sorry about this. Fletchendo. Imagine someone traded him an Articuno for that Fletchendo. That'd be stupid. Is that shiny? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna end the episode on a Fletch and Fletchling. Why do I always get the names wrong? Okay, bye bye. See you later. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.